kind of teams besides sports teams are you on? Really think about your life. What teams are you on?
Is family considered a team?
Family, in my book, family is a team. What other kind of teams?
Community.
Community, we have a team within our community. Church. So all throughout your life, and it's not just going to be sports, you're going to need the skills to be a good, awesome team member.
The Power of Teamwork is a school enrichment class that I do for grades 5th grade through junior high. We know that problems are created when we work with other people because we each live by different values and have different ideas on how to solve problems.
What did you learn from doing this?
Concentration.
Concentration. What else did it take? Yes, and you supported each other.
I like to teach by using experiential learning. This takes place when youth are involved in a project or an activity, and then after the activity, we go back and we process that, and we look back at their experiences, we determine what was useful or important to remember, and how they can use this information in real-life situations.
I need you to balance the rest of the nails on the head of this nail. None of the nails can be touching that board.
Experiential learning does encourage thinking, working harder, and ultimately learning more thoroughly than just showing or telling.
What do you guys, you've heard that before, think outside the box. What does that mean? If somebody says, think outside the box.
Think different or
Yes.
something that you probably want to think.
Yes, think something that you probably wouldn't think differently, think of a new approach, because you're all using the same kind of approach right now. Is anyone being successful? Things have to be weighted. Yes.
The activities and challenges that I present to the students provide them with valuable skills such as leadership, teamwork, decision-making, and critical thinking.
So was there anything you learned from doing this?
You gotta try out things, and then if they don't work, try something.
You gotta try something else. What's that saying? If at first you don't succeed, try again.
The different activities or initiatives all teach a combination of teamwork, acceptance to change, trust, communication, and problem solving.
In the gym, the one we did with the strings, we can work our class can work together when we talk. I like this one because I like figuring out new ideas.
I like this one because I thought we worked together good, and that to be open for new ideas and different ways to do it.
We learned that we like this because we learned that we could trust others easily.
Especially the boys.
Yeah, especially the boys.